Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get into VIP. I don't know if you can still get the items, but you can basically just stand here and then go to the pop culture post pack, select death drop, go forward, and then do it again, and then unselect the pose, and then you'll get into VIP. I don't know if you can try on stuff. I do have VIP, so I can try on stuff, but yeah, you can go through there. It's much easier than just jumping up and down the runway. I don't know like how foolproof it is. Like I don't know if you can still wear items. You usually you used to be able to wear VIP items, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.